Forgot your Android lock screen password, PIN, or pattern? Don't worry, in this video, we'll show you how to easily reset your locked Android phone. Part 1. Things to notice before factory resetting locked Android phone. Backup data, save files, Google account, no credentials, screen unlock, use Find My Device tools, proof of ownership or keep proof, cloud sync, check syncs, app licenses, deactivate, encrypted data, decrypt if needed. Part 2. How to reset Android phone when locked via Android lock wiper left bracket swift right bracket. To protect data on locked Android phones, reliable software is key. Android lock wiper is the best tool, removing various locks without damaging the phone, and works with most PCs and phones. Download and install Android lock wiper. For Samsung, select Remove without data loss and follow the guide. For other devices, choose Remove Screen Lock and click Start. Step 2. Connect your device to the computer using a USB cable. The software will automatically detect your device's information. Verify that the displayed information is correct. Should there be any discrepancies, you have the option to manually adjust the details before clicking Start to unlock. Step 3. The application will download and transfer the necessary data package to your device. Subsequently, adhere to the on-screen prompts to reset your device. This tool will start unlocking your device. Please ensure that your phone remains connected throughout the process. When the process is done, you will remove the passcode or PIN or pattern or face recognition from the device successfully. Part 3. How to factory reset locked Android phone in recovery mode. Turn off your device. Hold power plus volume down or power plus volume down plus camera. Select wipe data or factory reset and tap confirm, erase everything and tap reboot. Part 4. How to factory reset a locked phone via pattern password disable feature. Transfer the zip file to your SD card. Insert the card and restart in recovery mode. Flash the zip to install custom recovery and reboot. Enter a random password or gesture to unlock. Part 5. How to reset an Android phone that is locked via Find My Device. Open Google Find My Device or app. Sign in with the Google account linked to the locked phone. Select the locked phone. Then click Erase Device. Confirm and approve the reset request. Part 6. How to hard reset locked Android phone via SmartThings Find. Go to https://smartthingsfind.samsung.com and log in with your Samsung account. Select Erase Phone Data and click Erase. Re-enter your password and click OK to finalize.